Okay, hey guys, it's Marty Vlogs. So I have this Molecube thingy, and yeah, so I was babysitting this rabid kid, and he destroyed it. So we looked all over the internet and didn't find it, and so we decided to make a video about it and how to restore it, I guess.
Okay, so the Molecube falls apart, all the pieces come out. Make sure you keep them all together.
Don't lose a green piece like we did.
And you're pretty much left annoyed with this. Okay? And then you'll have two different types of pieces. These little guys, and then the longer ones. These longer ones are going to be your four corners on each side, and these guys are going to be your middle ones. So what you want to do is you want to try to put these right between there and go ahead and wrap that all around. I don't know if the colors make a difference yet because we haven't solved the puzzle to begin with, but for this purpose we'll just get it back together and then have hours of enjoyment to follow.
Until another kid breaks it. You can watch the video over again.
Yeah. Okay, so got one row slash wheel, whatever you want together. So now we can start putting the other ones. Now this one, you can see I have one of each color. Not one of each color, but they're all different. One on this one at least. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. So we will start putting the other ones. This is kind of tricky and annoying. So I kind of grab it like this to slide that guy in. And it may fall apart. And you may want to curse. There we go, one in there. Okay. And so what will happen is as you start doing this, you will get these corner pieces that are different. They will basically just kind of slide. As you can see, got this whole row done. I started putting these guys in. Now we'll start using these corner pieces. Now you got to kind of grab onto it because it's going to want to kind of come apart. But these corner pieces, see, that guy wanted to come apart right there. It did not. Would have been disappointing if it had. These corner pieces kind of, they fit in there, and you got to kind of work them in to get them in. And then they just, boom, just go just like that. So they'll sit right there, and then you'll get another, let's call it a middle piece. I will use, I guess, red for this purpose. And then you almost got to like put it in twist, but that guy will kind of hang out right there. And what we'll want to do, or it'll swing around, is get these two guys right here to kind of sandwich that joker in. So, see if I can do this without it coming apart, and if it does, so be it. It's kind of a twist.
Thank goodness I'm not using my other iPad because of this pausing.
Okay, so this is the end piece, and then one of these middles, and I'll find another end. Let's go to the black, and that'll slide right in there. Now I've created the top row. And again, I got to get one of these middle pieces. It's kind of coming here. You want to see it wants to kind of go start falling apart on you. And if it does, you get it kind of almost start over. It does want to twist a little bit. That guy was twisting a bit. But the key is when you put these in, you don't want to box yourself into a corner with these guys. And your last piece will be that one. Oh, got this guy right there. Pops right in. And now we can add another corner. The green. We'll go ahead and move it in there. Slide it right around to that guy. And it's kind of tricky popping these middle pieces in. Best thing to do is kind of twist them and they kind of just all of a sudden pop into place. The more you get them together, the less it wants to fall apart totally, so that's nice. You can see it kind of just popped right in. It made it look easy, but it makes not that easy.
You may end up cussing.
We'll go ahead and put another corner in there. So now you see you have one whole side. And that was pretty easy. So now we got basically 2/3 of it done. Now we got to do the other row and connect them all. So just like we had done before. Now these are kind of tricky, but now that they're together, it's a little bit easier to do. That guy slides in there. So what's next? Get a corner. Bring the corner around. other corner over here. So we can do that just to get a win. Knowing that we're going to have to do the rest of them later. That's going to be a little more annoying. So next is to get a middle piece, so to speak. And again, it wants to fall apart a little bit, but at least now it's a little more together. That popped right in. Alright. Next we'll do the other one here. Kind of sandwich that guy in. Again, popped right in. Looked easy.
No, 3 more.
Down to 3. And we'll slide that corner in. So then, you know, and I ended with the corner piece. The middle piece slides in. And this is where it kind of gets tricky. You almost got to twist, push and twist. That one is in, so we're left with 1. So pretty sweet. This one you have to kind of just brute force. You can see that you know, it's a little triangle, fits right in there. And if you just kind of wedge it and twist, eventually it'll pop itself right in, and then you'll be good to go. There you go. Made it look easy. So there's how you fix your Molecube.
So I hope this helped you
can
guys,
enjoy the
and thanks
fun adventure of trying to
for
make it work.
watching.